selfie time.
There's David and Samantha catching up to him. All right. Had to fix the camera. Okay. Yeah, I got it fixed. I deleted everything. I had to start all over. Excuse me. Yeah. There you go. That's 667 feet down there. All right.
I don't know why it changes like that, but we can't. Because I can't see now. I can't see it. Now I can't see it.
Who knows? I hate to tell you this, but you guys are on camera, so whatever you do.
You did good.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Here we go. Walk down the down.
That's recording. And as usual, I'm looking for the girls. Oof. All right. There's the Spillway House Event Center. It's cool when you see the water going through there, spilling over.
I don't have it.
What's that?
I was just asking if she could stream live with her mom like that.
Oh,
Damn.
I don't
FaceTime. You can face. You don't have it? Oh, Mom didn't set it up on there. I think I got it on here, but I don't know. I think I got. Oh no, it's the other camera at the house. Oh, the other. I got that in my pocket. I got. Don't I, Samantha? Don't I have FaceTime on this one? Boy, that film's all over the place. Look at that. That's 100 feet that's down. Ring around Lake Mead. All right.
Yeah. Say hi to Aunt Laura.
Yeah, you look at tickets in the visitor center and they walk up on top of the dam here. Take the original elevators down. That's all though. Yep.
Huh?
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
My mom said, she said, yes, send them to Dad. I love them.
Actually, I'm in the middle of Hoover Dam, and I'm here with David that does the filming with me, and my grandniece Samantha, 11-year-old. She came out here with some other family friends, and so I brought her to Hoover Dam to see it. So we're over here taking video and stuff, and I was just trying to call FaceTime with her mother, but it's unavailable in this area. What are you guys up to?
I was thinking you'd be calling me on some of those names that I give you.
Yeah, I'm still working. No, I'm still working on it. I've been. Okay, there's Samantha and David crossing the street. Samantha is standing in Arizona right now. Thank you.
And if you walk
Yeah, standing in Arizona. And here we are looking at Lake Mead. And this is Samantha and David. And the cops haven't got them yet, but they're... you might be able to see. You might be able to see some fish down there. Sometimes you can. They come up towards the surface.
like who?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the other side, on Lake Mead.
Yeah, she's in Arizona right
I
now.
know.
Samantha,
I know.
tell
All
your
my
mother you're in Arizona. You're a regular road runner.
Yeah, I told her.
Yeah, there's Arizona. There's the Arizona time, which is
I was gonna call you.
which is a quarter to 2. All right. Okay.
Yeah, that's the one. Spillway. And the other one's right there.
All right. There you go. Shall we go back to Nevada?
Yeah, let's go back and you might want to see the fish down there at the marina.
Yeah, that'd be all right.
Hey, I got enough pictures. You can take some fun at the marina.
All right, vamos. Go. Going down that way. Almost out of Tahoe. Pardon me while I sweat.
What time was it?
We were at like what, 12:30?
All right. Here we are at Hoover Dam again. Yeah, I'm filming. Just walking, filming, chewing gum. It's a long ways up there. There's people that have to climb up there and fix stuff. Yeah.
So, you're gonna walk up the stairs, you're gonna walk up like there's like a flat ground like this.
Well, there goes David and Samantha. They're taking the shortcuts going up the stairs. They're gonna go all the way up there. She'll be fine with David. I gave her instructions. Stay with him within 2 feet. There they are, ready. All right, I'll be back.